Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith here from tribalexpression. Today we're talking a little bit about machining. This machine here is one of my dream machines. You know how people dream about getting Ferraris or Lamborghinis or whatever? Well, this is my Ferrari. This is my Lamborghini. Well, it's probably worth more actually. What does a Swiss turn mean? Well, a couple of different things. It's generally made for making very small precision parts. Let's open this up here and see. So, as you can see, we have multiple different tool positions. You can see here, let's take a look. That's where the material comes out of. So both the material is actually spinning as well as coming in and out at the same time. So because of that, it's got ultimate rigidity because there is no flex coming off the tool part. Any parts that we do, we transfer over to the sub spindle. We can then come over here, do more machining and more milling work, and then spit it out into the conveyor belt, which then comes out here. We have a automatic bar feeder on here. So as you can see here with the titanium bars, we can just basically load up titanium bars into here. It will slowly feed them in and feed them down the line as we're manufacturing. So definitely this is made for a really good high production. Let's take a look in the back side here. All right, so as you can see here, this is the heart of the machine. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed my little tour of my beautiful machine.